Yo there, are you interested in starting a successful faceless YouTube channel? If so, look no further. Creating faceless YouTube videos is one of the greatest side hustles right now, and faceless channels are earning 10k per month, and you could be another successful story. I know you will probably be thinking, I don't have the skills to write scripts, edit videos, or I don't have the money for the editing tools like Adobe Premiere Pro and the likes. Well, worry no more. I have some great news for you. In this video, I will be revealing the secret of a mind-blowing new AI tool that can create complete viral faceless videos in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, for completely free. This tool will generate the script, voiceover, media, music, and put it together perfectly, all by one click of a button. Now let's get started with the following steps. 1. Choose a niche for your channel. 2. Come up with a video idea. And finally, generate the video with CapCut. Just like that. What's up? If this content brings some insights, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel to get notifications about our new videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is choose a niche for your faceless channel. This requires careful consideration as it contributes a lot to the growth of your channel. Choose niches such as money business, travel guide, health tips, fitness, and motivational stories. There are many out there that have a high view score and low competition. Tools like VidIQ can help with daily ideas, keynote inspections, and many more. Once you have the niche, it's time to come up with a video idea. But wait, what topics are good for your niche? Don't worry, you can use the YouTube site tab. Just type the name of your niche on the site tab and look through the list of suggested videos to get an idea. Then use Google Trends to see trending ideas on the topic you choose. Always keep in mind to avoid ideas that are of high competition, especially if you are a small growing channel. Use ChatGPT to get an ideal script that you can optimize and give it that extra touch. Now, head over to CapCut and generate the video. For an example, I will make a prompt to write a script about the Great Pyramids of Egypt and convert it to a video just like that, all for free. Now, if you are happy with the video, click on download to download it. However, if you want to edit some of the stock images, you can click on edit to change the video to your liking. Let's review what we have created.
The Great Pyramids of Egypt have fascinated people for centuries. These monumental structures have stood proudly on the Giza Plateau for over 4,500 years, defying the sands of time. But how were these incredible feats of engineering built? Let's find out. To truly appreciate the construction of the Great Pyramids, we need to understand the historical context. The pyramids were built during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom, around 2580 to 2560 BC. The most famous of these pyramids is the Pyramid of Khufu, also known as the Great Pyramid. The builders used massive limestone and granite blocks.
It's great, right? I know you like it. Impressive. And it's completely free, but try out. And start your successful YouTube journey now. I hope you learned something. If you enjoyed this video, I am sure you will like the next one too.